As shown on the screen, align the bed carefully and lock the nut. Install workpiece. Adjust the brackets to the proper position as shown on the screen. Please note that in the actual installation, you need to install the adapter fixture on the balancing machine equipment first. Connect one end of the workpiece to the adapter fixture. Align the nut hole. Install the fixed nuts. As shown on the screen. Tighten the nut. Adjust the brackets to the proper position so that it can be connected to the other end of the workpiece. Install the nut and do not tighten it first as shown on the screen. After confirming that both ends are connected, lock the nut. Lift the workpiece into the proper position. Hold the workpiece tightly as shown on the screen. Do the same operation on the other side. Operate as shown on the screen. Adjust safety frame to the proper position. Lock the safety frame as shown on the screen. Lock the nut as shown on the screen. Move the projection welder to the rear of the machine. When the projection welder is put in place, loosen the fixed device in the first time. The device is mainly used to prevent damage caused by the equipment shaking up and down during transportation. Loosen the fixing nut at the rear of the projection welder as shown on the screen. After releasing, check whether the machine can move normally. Move the bridge crane, align the projection welder guide rail carefully. Screw in the nut and do not tighten it completely first. Adjust the height of the foot cup so that both sides of the guide rail are at the same height. Adjust the snots back and forth until the height is the same and the guide rails are aligned. Adjust all foot cups to the same height as shown. Unify the distance between both ends of the guide rail and the balancing machine. Power the projection welder as shown on the screen. Turn on the power of the projection welder. The middle gear end of the air valve is the pulse gear. Air valve moves left is backward gear. Air valve moves right is forward gear. When it moves forward to the appropriate position, turn back to the middle gear end to suspend the motion of the projection welder. Air valve moves left is backward gear. When the air valve is screwed to the far right, it will fold or lower the grip. Please keep a distance and pay attention to safety. Confirm the position of the welded copper block as shown in the picture. Slowly move the projection welder forward. Ensure that the welded copper block will not collide with the workpiece during the process. The workpiece can also enter the welding range of the welding copper block. The final result of the adjustment should be as shown on the screen.